All right, so we got down the three basic ones, right? The electron, proton, and neutron. What are some other subatomic particles in chemistry? One is the photon, right? Photon is a packet of light, quantized particle of light, doesn't have any mass, so no mass number, no charge, has a different spin though. We give it the abbreviation gamma, okay? There's also a neutrino, given the abbreviation nu, also doesn't have no mass. It's sort of like the the cousin to the photon in that way, but it has a different spin. And sometimes this has some relevance in different nuclear decay processes, so you might have heard that. Positron is essentially the opposite of electron, same mass, but positive charge, okay, and the same spin. And then there are three other particles, and these are just ones that are given different names, one that have to do with nuclear decay processes. So this is nuclear chemistry stuff. This is aside from, little asides that I might go on into different nuclear chemistry applications and interesting facts. This is really all we're going to be covering of nuclear chemistry. There's just so many topics that we could cover in this course, and unfortunately we just don't have time. But there are these three particles. Alpha particle is actually just helium 4, 2 plus, nucleus that gets ejected during fission processes. A beta particle, that's just an electron, fancy name for an electron that's ejected during nuclear processes. And a gamma particle, that's just a photon that's ejected from, excuse me, from nucleus in decay processes. So these aren't unique processes or unique particles. You'll see that 001, that has the gamma particle has the same fundamental properties as a photon. It's just, we call it a gamma particle, a gamma ray, when it's ejected through a certain nuclear processes. Typically, this is a fission process. So just want to go over those. They are in your textbook. Not super important to know those, but if you ever come across them, future in your studies, now you have some basis for them.